Is your Dodge Durango's smart key fob working intermittently or not at all? A common cause is a depleted CR2032 battery. This video will guide you through replacing it on 2014-2024 models. First, recognize the symptoms. Reduced range, requiring closer proximity to the vehicle, or complete failure to lock, unlock, or start the car remotely. To begin, gather these tools. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, a key fob opener tool, is ideal to prevent scratches, and a new CR2032 3 volts lithium coin cell battery from a reputable brand like Panasonic for reliable performance. Avoid cheaper alternatives that can leak and cause damage. Now, let's replace the battery. First, remove the mechanical key if your fob has one, exposing a potential access point. Second, carefully insert your pry tool into the seam of the fob casing and gently twist to separate the halves. Avoid metal tools to prevent electrostatic discharge (ESD) damage. Third, locate the CR2032 battery, usually positive side up. Use the pry tool to lift it out, noting the position of any rubber gasket for waterproofing. Fourth, insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up, ensuring it's securely seated. Fifth, reassemble the fob, aligning the gasket, and snap the halves back together. Finally, test the fob by pressing the buttons. The lights should flash, and the vehicle should respond. If it doesn't work, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or visit a dealership.